You know what? According to International Association of Cancer Registries, around 63,000 people die due to lung cancer every year, and 23,000 people die due to brain tumor annually in India. These diseases are very dangerous, my dear friends. Today we are going to see that how coordination complexes help us to fight with these diseases, and most important, how Werner's theory of coordination compounds help us to battle with these diseases. Let's get started. Hello everyone, my name is Sana Ahmad, and today I am going to deliver a seminar on Werner's theory of coordination compounds. First of all, my dear friends, being Homo sapiens sapien, a lot of questions come into our minds. But the basic four types of questions are when it is happened, why it happened, what it is, and how it can help to human beings, how it can help in day-to-day life of human beings. This is the most important question, my dear friends. Let's try to find out the answer, my dear friends. Okay, so when it happened in 1893, Alfred Werner gave the theory of coordination compounds known as Werner's theory of coordination compounds. For this, he was awarded Nobel Prize and came to known as father of modern coordination. Let's give him an applause, my dear friends. Now, why he gave us this theory? Everything has its reason, my dear friends. Now, why he gave us this theory? What was the reason behind it? To explain the structure of coordination compounds, my dear friends. To give us the formula of coordination compounds. Now, what is the theory? According to Werner, he gave us some postulates, and those postulates are there are two types of valency, primary valency and secondary valency. The primary valency is ionizable valency. It gives us the oxidation state of the metal ion. Secondary valency is non-ionizable valency. It gives us the coordination number of the metal ion. The primary valency is non-directional in nature. The secondary valency is directed towards a fixed point and gives us the geometry of the compound, the definite geometry of the compound. Hence, the secondary valency gives the stereochemistry of the complex. It's very important, my dear friends. Now, like we do experiments in our laboratory, Werner also did experiment to explain his theory. A theory needs an explanation. To explain this theory, he took cobaltamine complexes and reacted it with silver nitrate solution. After reacting, precipitate was formed, and after the reaction, he gave us the structures of the compounds on the basis of primary valency and secondary valencies, my dear friends. Now, in this complex, the coordination number of cobalt is 6. All 6 secondary valencies are satisfied by ammonia molecules. You can see the blue line, my dear friends, and the 3 primary valencies are satisfied by chloride ions, the red lines, my dear friends. Now, when we will react this complex with silver nitrate solution, we will get 3 chloride ions as precipitate, and the total number of ions formed will be 4. 3 chloride ion and 1 complex ion. We can write the formula of this complex as CONH3 by 6Cl3, and the structure is like this, my dear friends. Okay. In this complex, the coordination number of cobalt is also 6. But my dear friends, the number of ammonia is reduced to 5, and the one blank position is taken place by chloride ion. Now this chloride ion exhibits dual behavior. It has primary valency, also secondary valency. You can see this chloride ion here, which have blue line, also the red dotted line, my dear friends. Now the precipitate will have 2 chloride ions, and total number of ions formed will be 3. Okay, and we can derive the formula as CuNH3 by 5Cl2. The structure is like this. Okay. Now, my dear friends, in this structure we have 2 chloride ions which have dual behavior, means which have both secondary valency and primary valency. So when we will react this compound with silver nitrate solution, we will get only 1 chloride ion which will form precipitate, and total number of ions will be 2. The formula will be CuNH3 by 4 Cl2 Cl, and the structure will be like this. In this compound we have all the 3 chloride ions which have dual behavior. Okay, so when we will react this with silver nitrate solution, no precipitate will form. Okay, no precipitate will form. Hence, this complex ion will behave as neutral non-conducting compound. Okay. Now, my dear friends, the most important part is coming. Okay, we have this theory. Werner gave us this theory. We use this theory to find the structure of the compounds, and our scientists, with the help of the structure of the compounds, found medicines for curing the diseases which we saw earlier. Cisplatin is the medicine, my dear friends, which is a coordination compound, and it is used in chemotherapy against the diseases like lung cancer, brain tumor, cervical cancer, breast cancer, and cisplatin is the coordination compound, the most important line, my dear friends. Werner gave us this theory, so we are now able to cure these diseases. We are now able to define the structure of these diseases. These structures are helping us in manufacturing medicines and in many things, my dear friends. Also, vitamin B3, which we use as supplements in our day-to-day life, is also a coordination compound. Also, pyrazinamide is a tablet, my dear friends, which is used in curing tuberculosis, a very dangerous disease, my dear friends. So, right, my dear friends, I told you earlier, we are going to see how Werner's theory helps us to cure these diseases, very dangerous diseases, and this way it is curing, it is helping. We are now able to fight with these diseases. Let's thank to Werner. Let's give him an applause. Thank you so much, my dear friends, for your attention. Thank you so much, and share him.